Oh, yes. Do you see that? Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, we are glowing. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, it's dark outside. It's nighttime. It's 6:42 at night. So, I'm hoping these lights don't let me down. But today we are doing the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions Palette. And this one is very fall vibey, and I went full-blown fall with it. No shame. But this one is very warm toned. You have a lot of really beautiful mattes in here, but you also have a nice selection of shimmers, and there's a lot of directions you can go with it. It is very pretty. I did use 7 out of 9 again. Just a common thing. I did use 7 out of 9 of the colors, so if you guys are interested in those colors, I tried to use as many as possible for you, and this is the look I created with it. The only other thing I did use other than these colors was the Stila Glitter and Glow, and it is in the color Gold Goddess. So that is what is on the center of my eye. And if you guys are interested in this warm-toned halo, super winged out look, then just keep watching. now to finish off the rest of the look. So I did use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did use 7 out of the 9 colors in here. The only two I did not use, or the only two I didn't use are these two right here. Let's move on to blush, highlight, and then lips. So for the blush, I am coming back to my... Thank you. I am coming back to my trusty BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. Oh, you guys. Every time I look at this, I just like, oh, yes. All right, we want, That's a great question. What do we want? Okay. I'm going to take a mix of these two, actually, because I kind of want this color, but don't want that intense of a color. So I'm going to mix in a little bit of this one. Let's see what that does. Someone's getting robbed right now, apparently. Thank you. Rude. All right. That's dark. All right, let's see here. Oh. Okay, well. That's not quite the color I wanted. I think it's a little too peachy toned with that other one mixed in. That's cool. It's fine, it works. Alright, so got the blush on. Let's move on to highlight. I am actually doing 2 highlighters. I'm going to do this as a base, and this is the color Golden Flower Crown. It's the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder. And then I'm going to go on top of it with this pearl from the Milani Rose Glow Stellar Lights highlighter palette. So that was a lot to say. Oh, it's so pretty. I know, it's like the first video in a few videos that I haven't used my new Becca ones. But I've used quite a few of them already. I'm very proud of myself. Go, Kira. Yay, we're glowy. Alright, we're going to be even more glowy. Now we are adding with an even more precise highlighting brush this pearl color here. Oh, yes. Do you see that? Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, we are glowing. Oh, yeah. Oh. Just highlight all the highlights. Now, lips, and we're done. Yay! For the lips, I am actually doing Flower Beauty Cinnamon Crush. I couldn't figure out what to do with this. Like, I don't have like a brown lipstick, so I didn't know where to go with it. So, I mean, I'm just doing a nude, but a darker nude. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this formula. Flower Beauty's formula is absolutely incredible. I mean, if you guys like creamy consistency, but a lot of color and a very comfortable wear, although it does transfer, but oh, I love, yes, yes. All right, you guys, that is the final look with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. And if you guys are into warm neutrals and really beautiful oranges and golds, then I think you guys would absolutely love this. It's just so easy. You can create so many different looks with this, and you can create something elegant, but you can also create something very wearable and matte, and it's just, it's great. I love it. So that is all I have for you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! for now. Whatever. It's cool. It works. Okay, cool. It works. All right, it works. It's working. I'm done. All right, you guys. That is with palette I can't find.